Imagine turning your simple sketches and fun ideas into a book that could reach thousands, even millions of hands around the world. What if I told you that with just a few clicks, you could create something that entertains, educates, and earns for you while you sleep? Welcome to the world of themed activity books, a hidden gem in the publishing industry where creativity meets opportunity. Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to transforming your creative sparks into a steady stream of income, no experience necessary. What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Diving deeper into the exciting world of themed activity books, let's uncover why this niche isn't just fun, but also incredibly rewarding. Picture this: a book filled from cover to cover with intriguing puzzles, captivating activities, all centered around a thrilling theme like pirates for kids. Imagine little ones embarking on a grand adventure without ever leaving their home, solving puzzles and unlocking mysteries page by page. Or envision a relaxation workbook for adults, packed with stress-relieving exercises and mindfulness activities designed to provide a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. These aren't ordinary books, they're special. They're gateways to new worlds, tools for learning, and sources of comfort and joy. Themed activity books offer a unique blend of entertainment and education, catering to a wide range of interests and age groups. Whether it's an adventure in the high seas for the young explorers or a serene journey through calming landscapes for adults seeking a quiet moment, there's something for everyone. And here's where you come in. What kind of activity book sparks your interest? Is there a particular theme you've been dreaming of bringing to life? Share your ideas in the comments below. Your concept might just be the next big hit in the world of themed activity books. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, or in our case, a single page. Let's turn those pages together and create something extraordinary. All right, now that we've sparked some excitement about themed activity books, you're probably wondering, how do I make one? Well, the great news is, you don't need to be a Picasso or a Shakespeare to create a captivating activity book. Today, I'm going to show you how to use two incredible tools, Canva and BookBolt, that will make the design process as easy as pie. Let's start with Canva. Imagine Canva as a magical canvas where you can drag and drop images, text, and shapes to craft the perfect page for your activity book. First, you'll want to choose the size of your book. A common size for activity books is 8.5 by 11 inches, but feel free to choose what works best for your project. Next, explore Canva's vast library of templates. Say you're making a puzzle book. Just type puzzle into the search bar, and voila, you'll find countless designs to inspire you or use directly. Now let's add some text. Click on the text button, select a font that matches your theme, and type away. Remember, the beauty of Canva is in its simplicity. You can adjust the size, color, and position of your text with just a few clicks. And don't worry if you make a mistake. Canva lets you undo your actions or change things up as many times as you need. Moving on to BookBolt. This tool is specifically designed for creating and publishing low-content books, including activity books. Once you've logged in, select Create to start a new project. Here, you'll choose your book's dimensions and page count. BookBolt also offers templates, but what's unique is its focus on publishing. You can design your cover, preview your book, and even get insights on what might sell well. And there you have it. With Canva's design flexibility and BookBolt's publishing prowess, you're well on your way to creating an activity book that could captivate audiences of all ages. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. Great job on reaching this exciting phase. Your themed activity book is ready, and now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. The platform we'll focus on today is Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing. It's a fantastic free way to get your book out there, and I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. First, head over to the Amazon KDP website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find an option to create a new title. Choose paperback, because that's what most activity books are. Now, fill in the details of your book, like the title, author name, which is you, and a captivating description that will draw readers in. This is your chance to tell potential buyers why they'll love your book. Next, you'll set up your book's interior and cover. You can upload the PDF files you've created, and Amazon will guide you through making sure everything looks good. They even offer a preview tool to see exactly how your book will appear in print. Now, let's talk about pricing. Amazon KDP allows you to set your own price, and it's important to strike a balance. You want to make sure you're getting a fair return for your hard work, but also offering good value to your customers. A little tip: check out other activity books on Amazon to get an idea of what they're selling for. Once you're happy with everything, hit publish, and your book will go live on Amazon within 72 hours. It's an incredible feeling to see your book listed online for the first time. But we're not stopping there. To really get your book in front of eager buyers, you'll need some smart marketing strategies. Social media is a great place to start. Share your book's journey, from idea to publication, and engage with your audience. You can also reach out to bloggers or YouTubers who might be interested in reviewing your book. And don't forget about Amazon's own advertising tools, which can help you target potential buyers right on the platform. Finally, encourage everyone who buys your book to leave a review on Amazon. Reviews are gold when it comes to attracting more buyers. And there you have it. You've just published your first themed activity book on Amazon. I'd love to hear about your publishing journey or any tips you've picked up along the way. Share your experiences in the comments below. Who knows? Your insight might just be what a fellow creator needs to hear. Now that your book is out there for the world to see, let's talk about how you can maximize your profits and turn your creativity into a steady income stream. Imagine not just earning from one book, but building a whole series of themed activity books. This is where the true potential lies. By diversifying your themes and targeting different audiences, you open up multiple streams of revenue. Let's consider the success stories of creators who started just like you, with one book, and then expanded their vision. For example, there's Sarah, who began with a single coloring book for adults. Seeing its success, she then created a series, each focusing on different themes like gardens, oceans, and mindfulness. By doing so, Sarah didn't just increase her income, she built a brand that customers came to recognize and trust. Here's how you can follow in Sarah's footsteps. 1. Listen to your audience. Pay attention to the feedback from your readers. They might suggest themes or features they're interested in, giving you direct insight into your next project. 2. Market research. Keep an eye on trends. If you notice a particular theme or activity type gaining popularity, consider creating a book around it. This proactive approach keeps your series fresh and relevant. 3. Cross-promote. Use your existing books to promote upcoming ones. Include teasers or even special offers for the next book in the series at the end of your current book. Remember, every book you publish not only adds to your portfolio, but also has the potential to bring in a new audience. It's about building a ladder, one book at a time, to reach new heights of success. If this idea of building a series inspires you to start your own, don't forget to hit the like button. It's a small gesture that supports the channel and helps us bring more content like this to you. Who knows? Your themed activity book series could be the next big hit, inspiring others just as you were inspired today. We've journeyed together through the exciting world of themed activity books, from the spark of an idea to the joy of publishing. We explored how simple and accessible it is to create, design, and bring your book to life, ready to be shared with eager readers around the globe. Remember, the beauty of this process lies in its simplicity and your creativity. Whether it's puzzles, coloring, or brain teasers, your unique touch can turn a simple book into a beloved masterpiece. Before we part ways, I have one more golden nugget to share with you. Here's a secret that can turbocharge your sales. Align your book themes with upcoming holidays and seasons. Picture this: launching a spooky puzzle book just in time for Halloween, or a heartwarming family activity book as the holiday season approaches. This strategic timing not only increases your book's appeal, but can significantly boost your sales, tapping into the excitement and emotions that come with these special times of the year. Now, as we wrap up, I want to extend a heartfelt invitation to you. If you've found value in our time together today, consider subscribing to our channel. Here, we're all about sharing insider tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you turn your creative ideas into successful income streams. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with friends who might benefit, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts, plans, or even the themes you're excited to explore in your activity books. Together, let's turn those creative sparks into a roaring fire of success and innovation. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now, Android and iOS, links in the description. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.